If you want to uninstall OneDrive from your Windows computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to remove OneDrive using the built-in Windows settings, step by step. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time to open the Settings app. This is the fastest way to get into your system settings without having to search through menus. Once Settings opens, look for the Apps section and click it. Inside Apps, you'll see options for managing the software installed on your computer. Next, click on Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this may appear as Apps and Features, but it serves the same purpose. This section shows you a full list of programs currently installed on your PC. Now use the search bar and type OneDrive. This makes it much easier to find the exact app instead of scrolling through the full list. When Microsoft OneDrive appears in the results, look to the right side of it and click the three dots menu. This menu gives you additional options for that app, including uninstalling it. From the list of options, click Uninstall. Windows will usually ask you to confirm the removal, so click Uninstall again to proceed. At this point, Windows will begin removing OneDrive from your system. Depending on your computer, this may only take a few moments. Once it finishes, OneDrive should no longer be installed on your device. If you wanted to clean up your PC, reduce background syncing, or simply stop using OneDrive, that's all you need to do. If you don't see OneDrive right away, make sure you type the name correctly in the search box. Also, if you're using a work or school device, your organization may have certain restrictions in place, so the uninstall option may look different or may not be available. In most home setups though, the steps I showed you will work perfectly. And just to be clear, uninstalling OneDrive removes the app from your Windows computer, but it does not delete your Microsoft account or your files stored online. That means your cloud data is still safe if you decide to use OneDrive again later from another device or reinstall it in the future. So, to recap, open Settings, go to Apps, open Installed Apps, search for OneDrive, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. It's that easy. If this guide helped you uninstall OneDrive successfully, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.